Imagine a drone that takes off like a helicopter but flies like a fighter jet. Meet the X-Wing Fighter eVTOL, a next-generation hybrid drone built for serious missions. Its iconic X-shaped wing design delivers smooth vertical takeoff, then switches into fast fixed-wing flight for maximum range and speed. With a 2.43-meter wingspan, 1.45-meter body, and only 11.5 kilograms weight, it can carry 1.5 kilograms payload and travel up to 150 kilometers, cruising at 20 meters per second. Designed for surveillance, military operations, and tight space missions, it's made from carbon fiber and EPO foam for stealth and strength. It resists Class 5 winds and assembles tool-free in minutes. Pure, futuristic power.
What if a humanoid robot was soft, safe, and powered like a mini AI supercomputer? Meet Fauna Robotics Sprout, a soft-bodied humanoid robot built for creators, developers, and researchers. Weighing around 23 kilograms, Sprout uses a foam exterior to stay safe around humans, making it perfect for real-world interaction. It features an impressive 29 degrees of freedom, allowing it to walk, kneel, crawl, sit, wave, and even dance. Inside, it's powered by the NVIDIA Jetson Orin, enabling serious onboard AI processing. Sprout can also be teleoperated in VR, ideal for data collection and embodied AI experiments. With stereo vision, microphones, and expressive LED eyes, this robot is designed for the future of human-centered robotics.
Imagine hiking with a robot buddy that follows you like a loyal friend, hands-free. Meet Rovar Robot, the smart companion built to level up hiking and camping. This adorable 18-inch, 15-kilogram wheeled buddy can autonomously follow you using advanced Face ID, gait recognition, and multimodal AI, so it won't lose you even in crowds or changing light. Its stable dual-wheel design handles grass, gravel, and small obstacles while carrying your gear with ease. And it's not just functional. Rovar has expressive eyes and cute body language, making it feel like a real partner. Powered by the Black Sesame A1000 for on-device privacy, it delivers up to 6 hours battery and is expected under $5,000. Fun, smart, and future-ready.
This isn't just a car, it's a futuristic gaming lounge on wheels. Meet Kia's Vision Meta Turismo, a bold concept car revealed in late 2025 to celebrate Kia's 80-year anniversary. It combines classic Grand Tourer attitude with next-level electric tech and immersive digital design. The sleek yellow fastback body features fin-style LED headlights, camera mirrors, and a stunning crisscross glass roof that floods the cabin with light. Inside feels like a futuristic lounge centered around the Star, a hexagonal yoke-style steering wheel. It switches between Speedster, Dreamer, and Gamer modes, projecting AR graphics onto smart glass for racing, relaxing, or gaming while parked. Kia says this could inspire a future EV7 or EV8 between the EV6 and EV9. This tiny electric car can park anywhere and transform into a cargo van. Meet Fox eMobility's MIA 2.0, a smart microcar built to redefine city driving. At just 3.1 meters long, it's designed for tight urban streets, featuring sliding doors that open only 30 centimeters, perfect for narrow parking spaces. Styled by designer Serto Soyal, it has a bold, boxy look with customizable body panels for personal style. Inside, the driver sits in a central mini cockpit with 2 rear seats, panoramic glass, a digital yoke, and modular interior walls. And here's the magic. MIA 2.0 can quickly transform into a cargo van with up to 1,500 liters of space. With up to 225 kilometers range, rear-wheel drive, and L2 Plus autonomy starting near 16,000 euros, this is the ultimate city EV.
What if you could own a jet that practically flies itself and saves you in emergencies?
Meet the G3 Vision Jet, the latest evolution of the world's first single-engine personal jet, built for speed and safety. Powered by the Williams FJ33-5A turbofan, it cruises at 317 knots, climbs to 31,000 feet, and delivers over 1,200 nautical miles of range. It can even take off in just 1,910 feet, making small airports totally usable. Inside, you get upgraded seating for up to 7 passengers, premium leather, tray tables, and smart device holders. The Perspective Touch Plus avionics adds ATC text clearances, auto updates, and smart checklists. And for ultimate safety, it includes a parachute system plus safe return auto land. One reason it's still the best-selling personal jet.
This humanoid robot can feel your touch and work like a trained human assistant. Meet Matrix Robotics' Matrix 3, the third-generation flagship humanoid launched in early 2026, built for safe, high-level autonomy. What makes it special? Biomimetic skin with ultra-sensitive tactile sensors that detect forces as low as 0.1 Newton, giving it near-human touch awareness. Its advanced Ling-Shi hands offer 27 degrees of freedom, enabling precision tasks like tool use, delicate object handling, and even folding fabric. Matrix 3 runs on cable-driven actuators, high-power linear joints, and a fluid humanoid gait trained with motion capture data. Its cognitive system supports zero-shot generalization, understanding natural language and performing new tasks in real homes, factories, and hospitals. This is next-level robotics.
What if we could build space cities like IKEA furniture, flat-packed in orbit? Meet Think Orbital's Think platform, a revolutionary system changing how we build in space. Instead of launching massive stations, it sends flat-packed panels that robotic arms assemble into huge spherical habitats in orbit. The wild part? In a single Starship launch, it could deliver up to 4 times the volume of the International Space Station. This platform is designed for the real future: satellite servicing, debris recycling into rocket fuel, in-space chip and pharmaceutical manufacturing, refueling, research labs, storage, and even tourism hubs for hundreds of people. The 8.5-meter Think Platform 1 will first dock with existing stations, while larger free-flying clusters aim for permanent orbital living. With ex-SpaceX leadership and demos already flown, full platforms are targeted for 2027-2028.